Hello and welcome back to Music Mitra. This is Bindu Naya here. In the last two videos, we have been exploring a raga in detail by exercising the swaras of that raga in various templates. And the ragam we chose was Mohanam. So this is a quick way to understand any raga in an easy manner. Because this is a big challenge for music students, right? When we learn a raga, we find it difficult to get deeper into it. We just know it very superficially. So today we are going to go into part 3 of that series. So if you have not watched part 1 and part 2, please go and watch that before you continue in this video. The link will be in the description below. So let us get into the topic right away. Mohana Raga, going into further explorations. Sa re ga pa da sa sa dha pa ga re sa. So in the first video we discussed about staircase exercise, number exercise, addition subtraction exercise and so on. And in the second video we tried the Karve exercise, the Dhatu exercise, Jenta exercise, etc. And we try to mix and match all these into different other exercises. Today we are going to go a little further and let's see what all we can do with the same 5 swaras of Mohanam. So first and foremost we are going to try the pyramid. What is a pyramid exercise? Pyramid is nothing but an exercise where we add swaras. So it looks like a pyramid when you write it down. So sa ri sa ri ga re sa ri ga pa ga re sa ri ga pa ga re sa ri ga pa da pa ga re sa re ga pa da sa re sa da pa ga re sa re ga pa da sa re ga re sa da pa ga re sa re ga pa da sa re ga pa ga re sa da pa ga re sa. So this is called pyramid. When you write it down, it looks like a pyramid. This was Arohana pyramid. Now Avarohana. Sa sa dha sa da pa dha sa da pa da sa da pa ga re ga pa dha sa da pa ga re sa re ga pa dha sa da pa ga re sa da sa re ga pa dha sa da pa ga re sa da pa da sa re ga pa da sa. So this is pyramid number 1, where we went up and came down in the same route. Where we went up, we came down the same. We did not skip any swaras. Now, so after the pyramid exercise, we will take up what is known as repeat exercise. Now, what is a repeat exercise? We take the same pattern twice. Sa ri re ga ga pa pa dha da sa ri re ga re sa da pa ga re sa da pa da sa. Now we will do this repeating pattern with one of our old patterns. Like for example 3 sa re ga. So sa re ga re ga pa da sa and so on. I'm just giving you an idea. So sa re sa ga re. We can use it with the jumping we did. In the second video we did the jumping, right? Sa ga re So sari sari sagari ri gari pa ga pa ga dha pa sa da, and so on. So this will give a different structure of notes to practice. You can pair it with any of even gente. Sari sari sa sari ri ga ri ga pa ga pa. So as we explore, we realize there are so many options, right? Sagari sari sari, reverse it. Sagari sari sari ri pa ga ga dha pa ga pa. So like this, all the patterns that we learned, the skipping, tumbling, the dhatu, the gente, number exercise, addition exercise, all these exercises, now is the time to start mixing. Mix, match, mix, match. I will give you a few examples, so you know what I'm trying to, because I can't spoon feed you every possibility, right? You have to also explore from your mind. That's when your creativity starts opening up. Some of you had asked me in the video, ma'am, please write the swaras. It is okay if I write the swaras, but I would prefer that you listen and write it yourself. There you are killing two birds with the same shot. Why? Because you're also sharpening your ears. What did I just hear? And in YouTube you have the convenience of going back and listening again, or you can even reduce the speed. There's something called playback speed, so you can reduce the speed. If I was singing something fast, bring down the speed and see what did she actually sing, and then so that way you will involve all your senses and your learning will be much more deeper than me just showing you the notes and you just copy down the notes. It is not going to help you. So I am not writing the notes for a reason here, okay? Because many of you in your comments, and thank you by the way for the great response for the part 1 of this video. We got 10,000 plus views in just 3 days, and that was amazing. Thank you again for all of you who really welcomed this kind of exercise videos, because it gives me a lot of feedback. You know, when you write back to me, that's when I know what is helping people and what is not. So accordingly, I can come out with more videos on similar topics. All the exercise. So this is like a conclusion of all the exercises that we did.